you're watching this video, I'll presume you have an interest in hot foiling and have heard of Metallic Elephant. They're a machine manufacturer based in the UK and have been making machines since 2007. Today, we're going to be looking at unboxing their KSF3 hot foil platen press and the initial setup of the press. A lot of machines are vertical presses, so an up and down print motion. But the KSF3 is a platen or clamshell operation. This is very popular with stationery printers, but can also be used by many different trades. So this is how it arrives, and as you can see, it won't fit through your letterbox. But it is fun to recycle the packaging. You could even make a TV stand or a coffee table. But let's take a look at what's inside the box. The press weighs 75 kilograms, so choose a secure permanent location and leave enough space for the handle to be pulled fully down onto the press. We would advise to screw the press down once you have it in position. So now you need to attach the top foil guide arm and tighten using the Allen key provided. Next, slide on one of the foil collars, followed by the first disc, then the foil, and the second disc, then the spring, and then the second collar. Be sure to tighten each collar as you go. Check your bottom and top guide arms are parallel with the table. This will ensure your foil doesn't preheat prior to printing. Once you're happy the machine is set up correctly, it's time to feed the foil round the foil arms, guide arms, and the rollers so it looks like this. Finally, insert your mains lead and plug in. Now I'm going to switch on the press to 105 degrees, which is the ideal temperature for printing onto paper. The press needs 30 minutes or so to warm up, so it's time for a cup of tea or maybe a gin, depending what time you're watching this. And remember, to find out more about the KSF3, do check out the other videos on the Metallic Elephant channel.